Still can hear jet fighters. Jet fighters, Paul Rayner, your parcel has just been delivered. Just had a notification on my Outlook email that Royal Mail have delivered your parcel to take down the Watchtower. And here we have the jets flying around here. War on Watchtower has begun. Yep, I'll just show you, Paul Rayner, just so you know. Where are we? Here we go. Royal Mail. Your Royal Mail parcel has been delivered at 12:39 PM. And if you scroll down there you go, Paul Rayner. Hi, Paul Rayner. We've delivered your parcel today, Thursday the 9th of June 2025. So there you have it. And we have jet fighters flying all over here. There's the war on Watchtower. Jehovah and the angels are manoeuvring the pilots. Here we go. There they are. Oh look, jets are coming over, look. Oh, right over. Oh my God. Oh, the red arrows have just gone over, look. Oh my God. You can't get better than that, Paul Rayner. Oh, a flyby just for you. Oh my God. I hope I got that on camera because they flew by. I couldn't see them properly. Way red arrows straight by here. And I doubt, to be honest, Paul, that they're going to show up on here. On my plane finder. Let's have a look. No, they're not showing up in Lincoln. So that was a flyby just for me. That's not a coincidence. That's the nearest one there. Ah, so there you go, Paul Rayner. Just for you, a flyby. Anyway, I'll leave it there and see if I can see the red arrows on my video. Bye for now.